Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, today we're going to be working on a flan, and I'm going to make it very low in sugar. Yes, I am going to use sugar for the caramel. That I am going to do. But I'm not going to be using condensed milk. I'm going to be using regular lactate milk, okay? So here I have a quarter of a cup of sugar with 3 tablespoons of water. So I'm making my caramel. So I'm going to grab my eggs and my mold. All right, guys. I usually use 6 eggs, but this time I'm using 8. I have 2 cups of milk here. I also have about a quarter of a cup warming up in the microwave with my Splenda. I'm melting the Splenda in it. Instead of using the condensed milk that is really, really sweet. I also want to add some almond extra. And I'm also going to add some, I think I have coconut, what do you call that thing? Let me see. Yeah. Coconut sweet. These are sweetened, but it's okay. It's not as much as using a can of condensed milk. So, and no, this is hot. Hold on. And I also have my mold with the caramel in it, okay? So we're going to do that. I mean, some people tell me why I'm putting my milk warming up with the Splenda in it, because this Splenda is powder, but it's just me. It makes me feel better that I won't have any clumps, even though it's gonna go through the blender. So let me check that. I'm going to mix this. This is going to be loud, so give me 1 second. I'm still have not mixed it yet. So I added 1 tablespoon of almond extra. I just measure by eye the coconut flakes. I did not even measure them either. You know, when you do these things for so long, it comes naturally. Too slow. That's it. Even though it's eggs, guys, it's not gonna be a big deal. Yes, I do taste the almond extra. That's what I wanted to taste. At this point, you could pass it through a calendar. I don't bother with it. Or I could, if it makes you happy. So, let's see. Where is my little... I have a tiny little one. I don't have a big one. I have a tiny little one. So, just... I really don't bother. I mean, it's not a big deal. Also, you're going to, of course, I gotta take the stuff out of my oven. I'm going to turn on my oven 350 degrees. And you're going to cook this in a Maria bath, it's called. So guys, it's gonna take forever to, you know, do this. So I really don't want, I'm not even gonna bother. So I just put it straight there. The reason being is because people want to catch the bubbles. The bubbles does not bother me at all. And also, it has coconut stuff in it, so it was taking the coconut out. So I'm going to cover this in with aluminum foil. You're going to bake this for an hour in a Maria bath. And for those people that don't know what a Maria bath is a tray with water. I mean, you could also do it on top of your stove. But I just wanted, I'm going to turn on the oven. It's cold, it's raw. It's been raining all day since last night. And it is cold. It feels raw to the bone. So, you want to use boiling water in this. You don't want to put this because it's going to take forever since you're already heating up your oven. And since my hot water in my sink comes out basically boiling, so that's what we're going to do. Kyle, this water will kill the skin of your hands. Look, it's straight out of the sink. Woo! Woo! I gotta be very careful putting that into the oven because you see the steam coming out of that water? Yeah. All right, let me put this in the oven and I'll bring you guys right back. Well, guys, it is 4:30 p.m. I will see you at 5:30. Bye. When you took magic, it took just 1 second. So let's see what it looks like, guys. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is hot. So I'm going to take it out because it is done. So let's see. I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. All right, guys. This is what our flan looks like. It's nice and solid. It's a little jiggly. So now what we're going to do is we got to leave it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. And if you could leave it overnight, best. But I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. So you're going to see what it looks like when I put it on the thumbnail. Because I'm not going to be waiting here for 3 hours. So you will see it at the thumbnail. All right, guys? So, yeah. And I will be doing a little short that you will be seeing tonight. All right, guys? So I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye.